I'm sure my wife will love it.
My son used to get a kick out of it.
Yeah.
Not us as much. Morning, sir. Thank you for your service and lunch.
Okay. Hello. Case. How much for the $3? 3? Oh.
Sheesh. That usually don't happen.
How much for the milk bottles?
$5 a piece.
$5 a piece for these?
Yeah.
Okay. And for the milk bottles?
$2 a piece.
Okay.
Yep. A little bit of everything.
How much for the wood roller in the jar?
You're not going in. You don't need
The jar there, I want 5.4,
Okay.
and like $3 for these.
$3. This jar.
What'd you say?
Nothing. I think it's a Rhode Island.
That's it. Yeah, I got enough for that.
How much are these? They vary. Like $8 for the big one. And then something like that.
Now I can tell that this is that old glass. I was holding it up. I don't know the right term for it, but you can really see it. It just doesn't. You can tell it's the older style glass jar. I paid $5 for it. I'm almost positive this was a really good buy. I almost want to put money on it. Brought this here. I thought this was cool. This is an old Bub's milk bottle from Hanover, Pennsylvania. I don't know. Just look different. Anyway, that's it for today. I would say it's a pretty good haul. I'm sweating. It is extremely hot and humid out here. Welcome back, summer. Anyway, so about to head out to the gym. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever, I load a new video. All right, guys, till next time. Oops, I messed up. All right, guys, till next time, stay blessed and stay happy.